Welcome back to the channel, and we're with MBA Dover at Kearsney Abbey in Dover, and it's their second illuminated event of the year. It's a fine evening so far, no wind, quite bright, but the temperature is dropping. So without more ado, let's get on with the event. See you later. Bye.
It's well illuminated, Kelvin. Is that all LED?
Do they flash or anything, or is it just static?
Just static.
Fair enough.
You're laying in all that bird poo.
Yeah, it's worth it to get a picture of this.
Oh, bloody hell. That would have been fun. Oh no. No.
So what scale would that be then, Kev?
196.
196,
So
yeah?
an inch to the
The
foot.
Radio
Yeah.
Carol one used to be. Let's stand there doing that.
Very nice.
They didn't have them, did they?
You can zoom it up. Who's controlling that duck? It's moving really nicely, isn't it? Oh. As soon as you got behind it, you shot off. I can Christ you. Oh, bloody hell.
Yeah, throw one. Up a creek without a paddle.
Yeah, Alan? Don't. Where's the other one?
Who's rescuing her? Who's being rescued?
Don't do it, Alan! Don't do it! Don't do it! Oh, Tim, it's alright.
Ah, now what I'm going to do.
Where are you?
I'm here.
Huh?
Yeah.
It's up nicely as well, that one, isn't it?
You're going to say the other one as well. Where's the other one? Whose is it? Yours? Yes, it.
500.
Yes, yours. Oh, is it your 500?
Yeah, I'll bring it in.
I suppose no one thought of putting the rollets in the boat. Oh, you skull. Tim, have you got control of your tug?
It's a joke, isn't it? It's the people who come to it. It's not council. Council shouldn't be making any money out of it. But that's the same with
It's a Christmas tree. What that is.
Is that a kit?
No, scratch built.
Is it? No, is it really?
Yeah, everything on there I've built.
Beautiful. Ah. Oh, what is it? Alan did say what it is. What's
It's
it?
made of Kent.
Made of Kent. Yeah. Yeah. How long that take you?
It's made of balsa, isn't it?
It made a dent when it get the key. Sorry?
How long did it take?
Well, I've been making it for about 5 years, but in between them we moved
Oh, you've
out.
been a bit at a time.
Well, we moved house, and everything had to stop while you move house.
Oh, right. Yeah, yeah.
Well, illuminated, Kelvin. That LED.
Yeah, LEDs.
Did you make it, mister?
Nah, my uncle made it for me. You know how they are.
How long did it take you to make, mister?
Well, it ain't finished yet, so.
Good evening, everybody. Thank you very much for coming. The committee have decided to award this month's trophy to Kelvin Castle for his ferry. Here, here. Wherever Kelvin is. Well done, Kelvin. Well ran, silly old man.
Checks in the post.
There you go. Yeah.
Checks in the post.
Well done, Kelvin.
Good one, mate. Good one.
Well built. Right, that's your lot.
What does that mean? Does that mean next time you have to provide the cakes?
You can jump down.
As well.
Jump! You're having a laugh, and I'm getting like me. Jump down from here. Ah.
Here, Peter.
The Moorhens are not impressed. They're Moorhens.